Want to learn how to ask questions in English? It's easier than you think. For I, you, we, and they, we start our questions with the word do. But just say, do you like coffee? Or do they speak English? But watch out for he, she, and it. They need a different helper. For these special subjects, we use the word does. Wait, remember, when you use does, the main verb stays simple. So instead of does he likes, we say does he like. Always keep that verb in its base form. It's the golden rule. Keep practicing these two helpers and you'll be in a pro in no time. Now you're ready to ask anything. Great job today.